We've all gotten that dreaded media offline before, and DaVinci Resolve looks kind of like this. But did you know that there's actually two different colors of red, and they mean different things when it comes to your offline media? Let's jump in Resolve so I can show you what it all means. I'm in the edit page here, and we've all seen this before, media offline. And what does that mean? It means we have to relink our media. And you're going to do that by clicking this little icon right here. You're going to get this window, and then you're just going to go find your media because maybe you moved it to another hard drive. Now, typically, you're going to see your files come up as this dark red color. But what if you see them as this color? If I select these three clips and I actually delete them from DaVinci Resolve, you notice they actually appear a bright red color because now those files are no longer part of DaVinci Resolve. So if they're the bright red color like this, that means they're not in the project anymore. You need to go find them and bring them back into the project. Versus that dark red color means you need to relink them. Now, if you see the bright red color here because maybe those files accidentally got deleted from Resolve, what you can do is go to your hard drive, find those files, and if you're not sure of the name, at least you're still going to see the name of the file here in DaVinci Resolve. So you can go ahead and find those files, bring them back into your media pool, just drag and drop them back in, and Resolve is automatically going to say, oh, hey, there they are. I'm going to link them back up. It's going to know that they're the same file. So there I just drag and dropped one back in. Going to find my other file, drag and drop that in. And there we go. Now I can see all my files loaded back up right here in DaVinci Resolve. So if you need to relink your files, you can do that. But if the files aren't in Resolve anymore, but you can find them on your hard drive, just drag and drop them back into the media pool, and Resolve is going to automatically sync them back up, link them back up to your timeline for you. That is this week's Quick Tip Tuesday, guys. There are a million things here in Resolve that you just might not know, that you might overlook, that you might not even think about. And, you know, I'm learning something new pretty much every time I work in Resolve. I'm like, yo, check that out. So that's why I'm making these Quick Tip Tuesdays, bring the quick tips to you guys. Hey, if you like this Quick Tip Tuesday, maybe you want to check out some more up over here. I got lots of Quick Tip Tuesdays for you to check out. Quick, easy little tips that you might not know about here in DaVinci Resolve. So you have an awesome week, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.